In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change to public in Replit 2025, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so others can view and remix your work. Making a project public is great for sharing a portfolio piece, collaborating with teammates, or inviting feedback from the community. Start on the Replit website and head to your main dashboard. This is the page that lists your work. On the left-hand side, you'll see the navigation panel where your projects are organized. That's where we'll focus. Look through the list and find the specific project you want to make public. If your dashboard only shows a few recent items, use the option to view all so you can browse your complete library. This makes it easier to locate older or less frequently edited projects without guessing. Once you've found the right project on its card or row, open the Options menu by clicking the three dots. This is the More Actions menu that reveals settings you won't see at a glance. From that menu, choose Edit Details. This opens a pop-up window where you control the project's title, description, and visibility. In the pop-up, scroll to the bottom section. That's where the visibility controls live. You'll see the options for who can see your project. Select Public to allow anyone to view your code, and, depending on your settings, fork the project to build on top of it. Before you make the switch, take a moment to think about what will be visible. Public projects can be discovered, so it's a good idea to remove any secrets, like API keys, tokens, or private environment variables from your code. If you're using environment variables, keep them in a .env file and avoid committing that file to version control. After selecting public, click Save to confirm your change. The Save button applies the visibility update right away. When it closes, your project should now reflect the public setting. If you're collaborating, this is the point where you can share the project link with classmates, teammates, or your audience so they can explore or try it out. If you ever need to reverse the change later, you can return to the same Edit Details pop-up and adjust the visibility back to a more restricted option. That's it. You went to your project list, found the project, opened the options, edited the details, chose public at the bottom of the pop-up, and saved. Thanks for watching, and feel free to repeat these steps for any other project you want to share.